Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cash out or withdraw money from Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are in the help center of Robinhood and this is how you can withdraw money from Robinhood. And it is very simple. All you need to do is just to go to your account and then start transferring the funds from your Robinhood account to your uh, account or bank account. So basically, if you are using the mobile app, you will need just to go to the account. And basically, it will be the person icon on the bottom menu of your application. And then you can go to the menu that you will find on top corner on the left. And then you can start to go to the transfer and go to withdraw. And then you can start choosing your account and start withdrawing the funds. In your app, you will need just to go to accounts and basically here you will find transfers. By finding transfers or by going to transfers, you will be able to choose the account that you want to transfer the funds from. So here you will choose the Robinhood account you want to withdraw money from. And basically you will need to select a linked external account to withdraw to. It might be some deposit or some kind of bank accounts or external bank accounts that you have linked with your Robinhood account. And basically, you will review the process or the operation, and you will need just to confirm it by clicking on transfer. And for that, you will be able, or by following these steps, you will be able to cash out or to withdraw money from your Robinhood account to your external bank account. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.